Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. If you are keeping score, I'm still in my glasses. I think by the time I upload this video, I will have had my PRK done if they don't deny me for some reason last minute. So after this video, it'll probably be a week at least until I upload my next video, so I apologize for that. But I am going to unbox something kind of old, something kind of new. It is the Ipsy GlamBag Plus May 2019 box. So this is supposed to give you full-size products instead of your like sort of travel trial sample size that you get. And I was on the wait list for about a month for this guy, and then I just got this in the mail the other day, and I figured what a perfect thing to film, being that it's kind of hard to do my makeup blind. So I'm just gonna dive in. Oh, you know what? Let me tell you how much the GlamBag Plus is. So the GlamBag Plus is $25 a month instead of the $10 a month, and that is before your taxes and all that. So I think with taxes and stuff, the Ipsy GlamBag was like 11 bucks for me, and the GlamBag Plus is 27. So let's see if it's worth that extra 16 bucks. Is that right? 27 minus 11? Yes, 16 bucks. Okay, so with the GlamBag Plus, you are getting your information sheet, and this actually has prices on it. Usually, you don't get prices on the regular GlamBag. So the first thing I'm going to look at is the Candy Johnson and Purlisse. I really cannot speak. Collaboration is the Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. Says it is for all skin types. This guy retails for $24 and you are getting 6 ounces. I'm on the fence about this. I have really sensitive skin. It says all skin types, so I am not gonna dip into this, but I'll keep it for a little while and see if I like it or not. Ooh, it says it has sugarcane, which gently exfoliates dense skin cells. All right, so maybe I'll use this on like problem areas that I have. Oh, next is some sheet masks, and I love sheet masks. It is from Glamglow. It is the Bubblesheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. You get a set of 3, and for the set of 3, it is $27. It is bamboo charcoal infused sheet mask. Activates an oxygenating and tingling 3D bubble experience that instantly invigorates, detoxifies, and removes face makeup. How long do you have to keep this on for? Leave on for 3 minutes. Oh, that is my type of mask. I love it. Okay, trying one of these tonight. Ooh, next. Why am I getting all the hard words today? Is from Illamasqua? Illamasqua. Illamasqua? That word right there. It is a lip pencil duo. We have the shade Lust and the shade Media. These retail for 21 bucks each, so $42 of lip pencils here. So this is the shade Lust. Ooh, and that's good for like your deep reds. And then next, the shade Media. That's kind of a deeper pink. Not mad about it. I probably will get the most use out of the pink shade, but I like them both. Ooh, and then from Makiage, I'm pretty sure I have that right. It is the Encore Volume All Day Lasting and Water Resistant Mascara. This retails for $25. And if you don't know me, you know I am a mascara whore. So kind of like your typical mascara wand, nothing too crazy about it. Pretty good to try out a $25 mascara. And then last is from Wander Beauty. I need to get into it first. Okay, so it is the Wanderess Seascape. It is an eyeshadow palette. Retails for, let me cover that up, retails for $25 and you are getting 6 shades. Looks like you're only getting 1 matte. Oh, these are so pretty though. Really quick, I'm just gonna swatch all these on the back of my hand. Let me just run through that super duper quick. Ooh, that blue coastal is a lot deeper than I thought it was gonna be. So here is like a rough swatch of all of the shades. Not bad, not bad. They went down nicely. This is all just one swipe, nothing crazy. I like the shimmer shades for sure, and this is a cute like little travel palette. When I'm traveling, I like to just do like a transition shade and then like a sparkle shade on top. So I feel like this would be really good for that. Okay, let me grab my calculator app here, add up how much this whole shebang is worth. $143 for 27 bucks. That's pretty fantastic. And the only thing I'm slightly not excited about is this lotion, only because I haven't tried it. I'm sure I will put it on and I will love it. So for my first GlamBag Plus, I'm really pleasantly surprised. I feel like sometimes Ipsy bags with the travel size are kind of hit and miss, or hit or miss, not hit and miss, hit or miss for me. And I would say that this is a 100% hit for me. So my opinion is that if you are thinking about transitioning from the Ipsy normal GlamBag to the GlamBag Plus and you can afford it, or you're just thinking of subscribing in general to the GlamBag Plus, I would say, yeah, definitely go out and get it. I really like these products and I'm looking forward to the next one. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.